Hey everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Chuck Pierce just sold this one. Redfire Effect is the paint color. 2019 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, 72-inch flat top sleeper. And give you a look at this paint. It's just absolutely beautiful. Nice metal flake in it. Just a gorgeous color. Real deep. Beautiful color. This one's got the Cummins X15 in it, 280 wheelbase. Got the Phoenix lights on it. We did the smoked. Very classic look. Everything's pre-wired and sealed. 100-gallon fuel tank on this side, a 150 on the other. Back of the sleeper, we got a window, deep tint. We got to get the CB antenna put on there yet. Radio antennas at the back. Got 6 load lights. Got the walkway, toolbox steps. This one's got 11R22.5 wheels and tires, and they're the classic Peterbilt wheels, the ovals. Bridgestone M726 ELAs. And on these particular trucks, we just did drum brakes. Nothing fancy. 336 gears. Closed shoulder tires. 40,000 pound rear axles. Got the toolbox over here. Did a train horn on this one. You can see it down and underneath there. Quite loud, I will say. The nice smoked lights. Polished all the tanks, all the straps. Def cover, battery boxes, everything's polished. Let's see if we can just a very, very classic Peterbilt look on this truck. Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque. Disc brakes on the steer axle, standard spring suspension on the front. All aluminum hood. Do the Davco fuel filter right here, much nicer than, just does better in the colder climates. So if you're going north of here especially. The remote lube, jump posts, just an absolutely beautiful truck. There's the breather lights front. Didn't put a visor on this one yet. We're not sure what the customer wanted. He wasn't sure what he wanted. So we just, at this point, we've just left it alone. Platinum interior. Gray platinum. We did the Peterbilt Ultra Ride seats. Black leather. Peterbilt logo on them. 18 speed. And this particular truck, we'll go ahead and fire her up. This one, we did full gauges on this one, so it's got 23 gauges. Left the navigation out. Navigation to go right in here. This area. I prefer the full gauges personally. AM, FM, CD player with Bluetooth. Cruise control, pretty much everything you need. Tilt telescope steering. Here's the view. How shiny that hood is. You see the clouds off the hood. Power windows, power locks. Go to the back here. 72-inch flat top. Got the S-bar heater. Digital alarm clock. Got a storage closet here for hanging up stuff. And then on the other side we get the pull out business center. Sorry about that. Places for storage. Place for a TV. And then we do the fold-away armrests, like in the driver's one here, in the passenger. And these are nice because they fold out and then down. And then if you want to put them away, instead of just having them up like that, taking up room, well, normally they fold away, I'm just not doing it right. Fold away like that one. So if you're looking for anything we can help you with, just let us know. This is with Chuck Pierce or Keith Couch at Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center. You can call or text me 970-691-3877, or my email is couchk, COUCHK, at rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching.